Hey lawyers, I'm here today to share with you some magic numbers. And no, I'm not talking about your favorite lottery numbers. Hi, my name is Sonrisa Lewis, and I'm a freelance attorney with my firm, Lewis Legal. I provide services and support to solo practitioners and small firm attorneys, such as legal research, legal writing, litigation support. So these magic numbers are for the support of your law firm. So, have you ever wanted to hire some support or to work with some support personnel for your firm, but you thought you couldn't afford it? Have you ever been in that position? I was in that position. As many of you know, I work with a virtual assistant and I use other people like a graphic designer as well. I didn't think I could afford these people, right? I didn't think I could afford these people. I said, my practice isn't where I want it to be. I can't afford an assistant. And also I can just do these tasks myself. They're not difficult. Why wouldn't I do it myself? I'm here to tell you I was way off with that thinking. Being able to do the task myself is besides the point. It's more about efficiency. It's about optimizing your time. It's about increasing your earning potential. And being able to do the task yourself is not the point. So I eventually came around and realized, hey, that I could afford to work with these people and get support from my practice. And in consideration of that, in coming to that realization, there were some magic numbers that I had to consider. And basically, these numbers have to do with the hour. So a couple of the numbers I considered, how much do I bring in every hour? And then I thought to myself, okay, how much does this person cost every hour? Now, it depends on what kind of person you're looking to support you for your firm, but let's just assume that the person's rate is much less than yours. I mean, there are instances where maybe you're working with a professional that has a higher rate, but let's assume that maybe you're looking for a freelance attorney, an administrative support person, a graphic designer, a tax person, someone to do your financials. Let's assume that their rate is less than yours, so consider that. While that person is doing an hour of work for you at X rate, I can be doing an hour of work and bringing in Y amount, which is much more. So then if you subtract X rate, if you subtract that from Y, then you can see that you've ended up profiting for the hour and you've gotten twice as much done because you're using that other person. I could talk about this forever. I could go further into it, but that's basically the gist of it. And as you know, unless you're in Maryland or Texas, you profit from using your freelance attorney because you can go for that hour, you can work side by side with the freelance attorney. You profit, you earn your rate for your hour, and you also earn your rate for the hour that the freelance attorney works, minus their fee, which is going to be much less than yours in most cases. So anyway, so that's my plug. But anyway, you can likely, if you consider these magic numbers, afford some support for your firm. And I encourage you to consider that. Got to the point where I realized that I was being foolish in not getting support. I was holding myself back. I was not going to be able to increase my income, my earning potential, and take my firm to the next level if I didn't get some strategic support. And this doesn't mean you have to hire a full-time person. It means maybe you go on Fiverr.com every now and then and get someone to do a little task for you. It really can be as simple as that. And if you'd like to talk more about these topics, then I encourage you to go to my Facebook group and join it. It's called Go Getting Attorneys. That's Go-Getting Attorneys, and we'll talk more there. Thanks.